Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bagel chips. First, gather your ingredients and preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need a few bagels, some olive oil, and your preferred seasonings like garlic powder or dried herbs. Slicing the bagels thinly, about 1/4 inch, is key for that perfect crunch. This simple preparation ensures a quick and tasty snack for any occasion. Now that your bagels are sliced, it is time to add some flavor. Lay the thin bagel pieces in a single layer on a large baking sheet, ensuring they do not overlap. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over them, making sure every piece gets a light coating. Then, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of salt and your favorite seasonings, like garlic powder or onion powder, evenly across all the slices for maximum taste. With your bagels seasoned and ready, it is time to bake them to crispy perfection. Place the baking sheet into your preheated 300-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for an initial 10 minutes, then carefully remove the tray. Flip each bagel chip over to ensure even browning and crispness on both sides. Return them to the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and firm. Once your bagel chips are golden and crisp, remove them from the oven. It is crucial to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling process is essential for achieving that satisfying, extra crispy texture. Once cooled, your delicious homemade bagel chips are ready to be enjoyed. They are perfect with your favorite dips, a slice of cheese, or simply on their own as a delightful, crunchy snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.